Good morning everyone. Today we have discussed the Cauchy inequality. In the previous lecture we have discussed the Cauchy integral formula and the Cauchy inequality. If fz is analytic within the closed curve C mod z minus a equal to r, and if fz equal less than equal to m on C, then mod f n a equal to m factorial n divided by r की power n. Prove that. We know that the nth derivative of Cauchy integral formula fna equal to factorial n upon 2 pi I closed interval C fz dz z minus a की power n plus 1. Then modulus in both side. Then modulus of fna equal less than factorial n upon mod of 2 pi I C mod of fz dz mod of z minus a की power n plus 1. In the given value is z equal to r e की power I theta, then dz equal to I r e की power I theta, which value is r d theta. Put in and given the value mod of fz is less than equal to m, then put factorial n upon 2 pi m upon r की power n plus 1 0 to 2 pi r d theta less than equal to less factorial n upon 2 pi m r की power n plus 1 2 pi r divided by r, then value is m factorial n divided by r की power n, then proved. And also we have discussed the numerical in Cauchy integral formula. In the previous lecture we have discussed the Cauchy integral formula but not discussed the numerical portion. So today we have discussed the numerical portion. The first example is prove that closed interval C dz upon z minus a 2 pi I, where C is the circle mod z minus a equal to r, means radius is r, center point 0, 0. Then closed interval C dz upon z minus a, where C is the circle and a, 0, a is the radius. Then we know that the formula closed interval C fz z minus a dz equal to 2 pi I fa, fa equal to 1. Then closed interval C dz upon z minus a equal to 2 pi I into 1, means 2 pi I. Prove that. And also given the second example of the Cauchy integral formula. Use the Cauchy integral formula to evaluate mod z upon z square minus 3z plus 2 dz, where C is the circle z minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. First of all we find the poles. Poles means denominator equal to 0. So z square minus 3z plus 2 equal to 0. Then the factor and z equal to 1, 2. And the given path is circle mod z minus 2 equal to 1 by 2, means radius is 1.2. Z की value 2, means coordinate x की value 2, y की value 0. Then circle is given. The value z equal to 1, 2. 1 is the outer and 2 is the inner. Then we find the value of only 2, means जो inside circle होता है उस पे value find out करते हैं. तो mod c z z minus 1 z minus 2 dz z upon z minus 1 z minus 2 dz value put. तो z minus 1 z equal to 2 minus 1 answer is 4 pi. Also given the same type numerical. Example number 3, evaluate c e की power z upon z minus 1 z minus 4 dz. C is the circle mod z equal to 2 by giving the integral position, means mod z equal to 2 means circle is a 2 and value is z minus 1 and z minus 2. Denominator equal to 0 करेंगे and z की value find out करेंगे and also find the value and using Cauchy integral formula. And example number 4 is the same type. Evaluate c e की power z upon z square plus 1 dz over the circle of path mod z equal to 2. That's all.